Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
Guys, brain not braining.
I should slow it down, take it easy. I just keep on staring at my phone. Yeah, my head's spinning, heart's racing, knowing that you could give me a call. I lay awake at night because all I seem to think about is you. Fuck, I don't know what to do. Do I want this too much? I know I have burned you once before.
Okay, so I have my kimchi here. This is from Little Sol. I really like their kimchi. I have tried अलग जगह का भी kimchi, but यहाँ का kimchi is my favorite kimchi. मैंने directly 1 kg लेके आया था. So here is my kimchi. It looks so good. अभी मेरा खाली पेट है, नहीं तो मैं ऐसे ही खा लेता. और मेरा रेसिपी होने वाला है बहुत ही इजी पीजी एज ऑलवेज. आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा कि आई डोंट रियली हैव इतना लेंदी प्रोसेस फॉर कुकिंग एंड ऑल. मैं बहुत इजी पीजी रेसिपी ही यूज़ करती हूँ बिकॉज अच्छा ही टर्न आउट होता है यार. आई डोंट लाइक सो मच मसाला ऑल्सो. मेरे पास इतना ज़्यादा मसाला भी नहीं है. आई हैव ओनली हल्दी एंड व्हाट या आई हैव ओनली हल्दी. सो या लेट्स मेक इट. मेरा राइस ऑलमोस्ट मैश हो गया है. गाइस, यहाँ मैंने स्प्रिंग ऑनियन चॉप कर दिया है. जो वाइट ऑनियन है वो अलग से एंड देन है आई मीन स्प्रिंग ऑनियन का ये जो वाइट पार्ट है अलग से एंड देन ग्रीन पार्ट जो है वो अलग से. आई एम नॉट एडिंग एक्स्ट्रा प्याज बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट इट. आई थिंक दिस विल डू एंड आई हैव ग्रीन वंस हियर. Guys, look at my plate. It looks so pretty. Pretty तो छोड़ ही दो, but खाने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. मैंने थोड़ा सा ट्राई किया है and it tastes really really good. I'm so happy. Okay, let's have it. So good.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Oh. Okay, so let me show you all. Start every day like a boss. Like a boss. I love this. This was love at first sight. और भी मैंने बहुत सारा पोस्टर्स देखा बट मेरे को ये सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. गुड थिंग्स टेक टाइम, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पेशेंट हूँ. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ गुड रिमाइंडर फॉर मी. आई डोंट नो कि मैं ये कहाँ लगाऊँ और ये कहाँ लगाऊँ. आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. एक तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि यहाँ लगाऊँ. गुड थिंग्स टेक टाइम मैं यहाँ लगा सकती हूँ, बट start every day like a boss, I think I should put this there. So let's see कैसे लगेगा. I think it looks amazing.
Quando o sol se pôs, pensei em nós dois. Foi a alma que morreu.
Guys, I'm really hating the way this one looks, but क्या करूँ, I can't remove it क्योंकि उसमें पूरा सीलन लगा है. It looks so bad. Guys, मैं ये जब भी देखती हूँ तब मेरा मूड इतना खराब हो जाता है. Look at this.
Mas quando eu olho nos olhos.
So good. La. I was thinking कि I will make something very फटाफट से, but look at my नसीब. पूरा avocado काला है and also it's not really fresh. तो ये waste हो गया है. Now I have ordered some avocados. I've actually ordered 2 avocados, but of course I won't have to. And yeah, मैं सोच रही थी कि बहुत easily बनाऊँ. Like जो भी ऐसा basic चीज़ें चाहिए होते हैं, मैं usually ऐसा प्याज वगैरह नहीं डालती हूँ because I don't like इतना strong taste. But today I'm going to add it क्योंकि अभी मेरा grocery आने में थोड़ा सा तो time लगेगा, like 10-15 मिनट. तो yeah, let's chop onion. Guys, brain not braining. Onion, chilies, let's chop all of it. It's here, guys. Let's unbox it. I got one paneer as well. To milk. I didn't know Bounties are so expensive. This for $1.79. I was craving something coconut. I was craving something very coconut type का, तो मैंने ये order किया है. और मेरे को पता नहीं था कि सिर्फ इतना का 179 रुपीज़। खोल भी नहीं पा रहे, मैं बाद में खोलूँगी।
Constant learning to flow. Call the unknown, lemons down. May look different from what you dreamed. Colors and contrast making it art. Funny, thought I was lacking. Then I realized all is within. Are your thoughts friend or foe? It's your choice which way you go.
Okay, so it is 3:30 p.m. So I'm planning to go for a walk because I have a lot of time today. क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी उठा था. So yeah, I feel like I should wake up early, guys. I want to wake up at 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. मेरे से नहीं होता है, क्या करूँ? Because I can't sleep at night. Or it's another thing, guys. That's the reason I go for walk, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा tired feel करती हूँ. And I sleep good when I go for a walk. तो वही है, अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं walk जाऊँगी, उसके बाद I'll also go to buy some stuff because I really need some hair oil and some groceries also. So planning to do that. जब से ऐसा Blinkit, Zepto, Swiggy, Instamart कुछ भी आ गया है, तब से I have stopped doing grocery shopping. और मेरे को ना इतना ज़्यादा anxious feel होता है when I do grocery shopping. So I'm going to write all the list, like जो भी मेरे को चाहिए मैं सब लिखने वाली हूँ. I don't know whether I'll go also or not, but if I'll go you guys will see it. चलिए guys, let's make a grocery list. Planning to make chicken today. Guys, चाहे तो मैं ये सब चीज़ें ऑनलाइन ही मंगवा सकती हूँ, बट मेरा मस्ती तो देखो. I'm going to carry this bag, guys. I think I'll just carry this and my phone. That's it.
How come the stars, come to shine when it's dark. From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
Guys, I'm back to my apartment and I am so tired. It's 4:30 p.m. या 4:45 कुछ तो हो गया है, I don't know. So now I am going to go for grocery shopping and I'm planning to go to विशाल मेगा मार्ट. मेरा बहुत अचानक से प्लान बन गया है कि मैं विशाल मेगा मार्ट जाऊँगी क्योंकि वहाँ सब कुछ मिलता है. And it's been a while like मैं वहाँ गई नहीं. I need a lot of stuff. I need hair oil क्योंकि मेरा बाल इतना ज़्यादा बाल कह रहे माथा इतना ज़्यादा itching हो रहा है ना, तो मैंने सोचा कि I'll do a good oiling. So yeah, let's go and get some stuff from Vishal Mega Mart. I'm so excited. I love Vishal Mega Mart. So let's go. विशाल में कभी कभी नेट नहीं चलता ही, so I'll take some cash. Guys, ऑटो ही नहीं मिल रहा है. It's been 20 minutes. I've been sitting in the same spot because I'm trying to book an auto, but I'm not getting it. मैंने ना 30 rupees जैसा एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज भी डाल के देखा है. Still I'm not getting it, guys. Guys, I'm so tired. Today was a very tiring day. Let me show you all what I got from Vishal Mega Mart. सबसे पहले तो I got this wiper only for 19 rupees, guys, to clean the tiles. And I got another chopping board. You guys may ask why, but ये जो wooden वाला chopping board है, it's not that good क्योंकि अभी से fungus होने लग रहे हैं, which is not a good sign. So I got this one. It's green in color. And yeah, I have hand towel. I have Tide, pads, hair oil. I wanted to try a new one, so I got this one. If you guys have any recommendation, तो please recommend ज़रूर से करना क्योंकि I need a good hair oil का recommendation. And please don't recommend Chumpy oil from Indie Oil because I've tried that. Pink salt. This is something very new, guys. मैंने ये कभी नहीं देखा ऐसा. Toothpaste. Chana, my favorite. I got this mixed dal also. Then I have chargel from Fiyama. This one is really good. I wanted to try this, so yeah. Oh yeah, and I also got this one, guys. It's a glass container for fruits and all. So pretty. I like this one. By the way, this was only for 99 rupees. और मेरा विशाल का खर्चा टोटल हुआ था 1600 something. Okay, so now let me show you all what I got from Blinkit. सबसे पहले तो I have chicken because today I am going to make a chicken recipe जो मैंने Instagram में देखा था, and that looked really yum, so I want to give it a try. And here I have spring onions because I love it. Here I have bread, some milk for my lattes. I've been obsessed with lattes, guys, so yeah. और ये मेरे को free मिला. I swear I got it for free. But I also got this one, guys. मेरे को ना ऐसा सॉस वगैरह पसंद ही नहीं है, but आज जो मैं रेसिपी बनाने वाली हूँ वहाँ ऐसा चिल्ली सॉस था, तो मैंने सोचा कि सिर्फ चिल्ली नहीं, चिल्ली गार्लिक सॉस ले लेती हूँ. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to do चम्पी अच्छे से. उसके बाद मैं चिकन मैरिनेट करूँगी and then I'll go take a shower. उसके बाद I'll cook. Sounds good to me. So yeah, let's start. Okay, first soy sauce. I hope मैं ज़्यादा नहीं डाल रही because I don't know the exact quantity. So I'm going to edit this vlog while I watch something. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. अगर आपको ये video अच्छा लगा then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And yeah, comment this emoji for this video. And thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.